Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to craft my stash. I had seen a video by J Money DIY, I'll link it below, where she duped a Hobby Lobby decor piece of hanging carrots using Dollar Tree items. I was never going to make a video about this, but since I didn't have enough carrots, I thought, well, maybe I'll just take a couple pictures while I was making it. So you'll need some of these carrots. And then I used a rabbit because it just needed a little something extra. And then I had these rings in my craft room. I don't know where I got them, but I had a couple of them, so I thought this would be perfect to make my door hanger. I used some microfiber cloth for the bunny, and I'm also making a tail out of it. And I used some jute string. Now, because I wasn't going to make a video, I didn't take a picture, but you have to glue your 3 carrots together, 2 carrots together, and then leave one not glued before you paint them. And I did paint both sides. The tops of my carrots are going to be moss green chalk paint. The bottom of the carrots are going to be orange acrylic paint. And then I mixed a little burnt umber paint to the 2 colors, and I added that to my carrot leaves and to my carrots so that it gave it some dimension. I did this in my 3 carrot stack in a previous video. While that was drying, I took some jute twine and I wrapped my ring all the way around until it was completely covered. I cut out my bunny from some of the microfiber cloth, glued it with Mod Podge, added a googly eye, a little pink nose, and my homemade bunny tail out of microfiber cloth. I added some jute ribbon bows to my carrots, and then I added the jute to tie it on to the ring. And I did it at different lengths so that they would dangle nicely. Then I created a bow using some of the Dollar Tree burlap dotted ribbon, and it's just a simple 4-loop bow. And I have it hanging here from my doorknob, but actually I wanted to put it in my kitchen. And since I already used the Dollar Tree door hangers over my cabinets, I just have it hanging from my kitchen island. And I think it is a perfect little addition to my home for Easter. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Take care.